Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl KnoKno Fury, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I got this really pretty soft glam look. I'm so happy that it came out like this. I was heavily inspired by Miss Raggedy Royal here on YouTube and Instagram and Twitter, and I was also heavily inspired by Nazra Looks. I will tag their Instagrams in the description box below. Also, while you're here, please stop for a moment and look at the description box, and please sign a petition or donate to the Black Lives Matter movement. Please. Thanks. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna like carve out my eyebrows with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer. So I like using a concealer a little bit lighter than my skin tone to outline my eyebrows because it makes it pop so much more. Brows are on, popping per usual. I gotta prime my face. Oh my god, you guys. So the plan was to film a using professional skincare video because I bought some skincare from SkinScript, which is an amazing brand, by the way. I'm not bashing them at all. It was just due to my negligence. I bought some enzymes. If you don't know what enzymes are, they are basically like little mini chemical peels, pretty much in a nutshell. And not knowing, I used one of the strongest ones. Not, you know, my skin's probably gonna be gorgeous after all this, but I used one of the strongest ones and my skin is purging so bad. Like my skin is breaking out so bad. So gotta put some moisture into my face. My face is so dry, it's insane. I highly regret doing that specific enzyme, and I probably won't do it again. But anyway, what can I prime my face with today? I think I'm gonna use my ColourPop Pretty Fresh because this has hyaluronic acid in it and I need all the moisture I can get. About 2 pumps. For eyes, I want to be very careful when it comes to the eyes. I don't want to use a super bright concealer just because, I don't know, I don't want this to be like a super bright look. Like when I think of soft glam, I could not think of that shit to save my life. When I think of soft glam, I think of not a lot of eyeshadow and mainly paying attention to the base, which is like your foundation, concealer, situation, contour combo. I feel like the eyes need to just be very soft and very subtle, not harsh at all. My preference, I wouldn't do a cut crease. I feel like a cut crease would take away from the look depending on how you do it. So I think I'm only going to use like 3 palettes for this eye look. So the main palette that I'm going to use will be the Jackie Aina palette. And then the next one will probably be the Jaclyn Hill palette. The only shade I'm probably going to use is like the top row, those nude shades. These shades right here on the very top row. And then I also got inspired by this pigment that I have in my collection. It's by MAC, and it's the, looks like this. Prime my eyes with concealer, the same one that I use for under my eyebrows. So I think I'm going to go into the Jackie Aina palette and I'm going to take the shade Ginger. The shade right here, the shade Ginger. And I'm going to make that my transition color. The Jackie Aina palette is really like one of my favorite palettes. Like, I don't know, I pick it up for a lot of transition shades, not so more of the shimmers. Yesterday was Jackie Aina Day, so shout out to Jackie Aina. She's a big influence into the beauty community, especially for Black people. Always looking out for us, and we appreciate it so much. She seriously deserves it. So Ginger is like a tannish kind of brown shade. I'm going to use like one of these nude shades from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette just to blend that out. I don't want it too harsh. I'm just gonna put it like right above. Yep, just like that. Yep. Then I'm going to take credit which is this darker brown shade at the top right here. And I'm going to deepen up my transition color with this shade. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this MAC pigment. It is so pretty, you guys. I'm gonna take a little bit of this MAC pigment and I'm going to place that like on my lower eyelid. Put a little bit on like a packing brush. I'm not using any glue. Woo-wee. This is so pretty. Wow. I don't even think you guys can see that. Let me zoom you guys in. You know what I should have did? I should have put a white base underneath. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know, it might be too late. Yeah, it's too late, but I should have put like a nude or a white base underneath so this gold could pop more. That would have been so pretty. Shout out to the camera quality because I used to not be able to zoom in this close. So yeah, shout out to the camera quality. Let's go. I think I'm gonna try and use that pigment as a highlighter because I just feel like that would be so, I feel like that would be so pretty. So my face is already primed. I think I'm just gonna use, my face is literally so broken out, you guys. I'm not even gonna try to use a matte foundation. I'm just gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Hazelnut. I don't know why, you guys, but now I've really been liking using a stippling brush. Now, the only person that I used to see use stippling brushes was Time the Infamous. She used to stay using stippling brushes. I think she may be using sponges now, like beauty blenders, but I don't like those just because I feel like they harbor bacteria and they take a lot of product. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. You see how it paints it on just so smooth? Okay, so for concealer, I have, where is it? First off, can't find it. I can't use it if I can't find it. I have the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo concealer. This concealer is pretty good. I'm still putting my thoughts into it. Just going to use a little bit. You guys know I don't take it all the way out here anymore. I used to just concealer it up, but honestly, less is better. Now with Soft Glam, you really want to focus on the base because that's going to be like the main attraction. And then also usually with Soft Glam, a bright under eye is usually used. You don't have to. Soft Glam is usually just something, it's usually a dramatic look, but it's just really soft. I can't really explain it as much as I want to. That was a bad explanation, but I'm going to add a little bit of the Sephora concealer under my eyes. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques setting brush and I'm just going to blend this out. Am I the only one that loves a look before the contour goes on? Like, I feel like when you add your highlight, you just instantly look more awake. I don't know. I'm just weird. I'm contouring with the Makeup Revolution Define and Conceal concealer. I really like this to contour. It's the shade C18. You literally only need like 2 dots because it's so that was ugly. It's so pigmented. This one is a really good concealer if you're looking for a new concealer. It's really good. So for powder, I really like the Patrick Starr MAC powder. I'm literally almost out of this. You guys know this is like my holy grail. I love this powder. I'm literally almost out. No, it's like the perfect translucent shade. I saw some people complain saying that they don't really like it because it kind of does have some pink tones to it. But once you put it on, I feel like it goes away. It's literally like so perfect. Like, I love MAC products. Like, I love MAC so much, but they've just really fallen off with, like, I don't know. I don't want to say quality because I haven't used their stuff in a long time, but they don't really have anything that makes me want to just, you know, run to MAC and pick it up or go on the website and pick something up. They haven't had anything like that in a really long time. But the products as a whole, when I was like first getting into makeup, I had so many like MAC products. I had like their lipsticks. I had so many of like, I remember when Aaliyah J had first came out or just started doing makeup, and she had this. Here it is. It's the MAC Prep and Prime. Do y'all remember this? The OG Aaliyah followers. This was like her holy grail, and I bought it just because she used to use it so much, and I loved it, but I just stopped using it. It's kind of on the thinner side when it comes to concealers. I don't even think it's a concealer. I think it's just used to enhance your concealer, but I know she used to use it as a concealer. I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit of eyeliner just to make the look come together. I don't know, you can choose whether you want to use eyeliner or not, but I think I am. I'm gonna do a very, very thin, a little bit of nude in our waterline. This is the NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light. I really like adding this to my waterline. A little bit of mascara. I really, really like the Essence False Lashes mascara. I'm just gonna use some really pretty mink lashes. I got them off of like AliExpress, so I don't know the exact vendor, but I'm pretty sure everybody sells a lash that looks like this. It's just like a regular fluffy lash. When I tell y'all, 1 in a million things be happening behind this camera. Like whenever the camera goes off and I don't film a certain clip, some bullshit happened. Okay, so like literally I spent like 30 minutes trying to get these freaking lashes on just because the glue either dried too fast or didn't dry enough. My nose is running. I am just so sick. Like I'm sick of it. But it's all for this look. This look is coming together marvelously. So I think I'm gonna add a little bit of blush. I think I'm gonna add some pink blush. I have the Bobbi Brown blush in the shade Clementine. Really pretty shade. I put that on the apples of my cheeks. You know the vibes. For highlighter, okay, so I gave myself a challenge. This pigment that I used, I want to use this pigment as a highlighter, but I think I'm gonna use a highlighter like as a base, and then I'm gonna put the matte pigment on top. Don't quote me on this though. This might be a fuck up. Laura Geller highlight. Okay. And I'm just going to put this on all of the high points of my face that I want to highlight. I low-key wish I wouldn't have added this blush now. I don't think I like it too much. Ooh, hold up, wait a minute. Ooh. Y'all, this pigment is everything. This is about to be my new highlight combo. Oh my God. Why didn't y'all tell me I had a string stuck to my fucking hair? Oh my God. Okay, let's do the lips. Ooh, let's just do the lips and finish out the look, okay? So let's see. I think I'm gonna use today. Okay, Wet n Wild liquid lip in the shade Nudie Patootie. Brown lip liner. This is the finished look, you guys. Oh my God. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. Wow. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you like more videos like this, feel free to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, you guys, and remember, stay furious. Bye.